Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to write a C program to print the numbers from 100 to 200 which are divisible by 7. So we will be printing all the numbers from 100 to 200 which are divisible by 7, and also we are going to display the sum of the printed numbers as well as the count of the printed numbers. So in this program we will have to do the three processes. One, to print the numbers from 100 to 200 which are divisible by 7. Then we will have to display the sum of the printed numbers as well as the count of the printed numbers. So initially we will be printing all the numbers from 100 to 200. Okay, so as we all know, our program starts with a header file hash include stdio dot h, then hash include console input output dot h, then void main, then comes the variable declaration. So we will be using a for loop. So if we are going to use a for loop, we will have to declare one loop control variable. So I'll declare my favorite variable I, and as of now to print the numbers I don't require any other variables. So next I'll be printing a statement, the numbers are okay. Then I'll be writing a for loop. So they have asked me to print the numbers from 100 to 200. So I'll start the loop controlling variable. I'll initialize its value to 100 and I'll give the condition I should not exceed 200 and I plus plus. So next I'll be writing one printf statement, percentage %d slash n. Next comes I. Okay. Next get ch. Okay, so I have written a print statement. I'll print the value of I. How many times? 101 times. Okay, I'll save it. I'll debug it. Let us see, do we have any errors or not? Yes, we don't have any errors. Next, instead of slash n, I'll put slash t. Okay, again debug, no errors. Next, execute. As you can see, from 100 till 200 we have printed all the numbers. Yes, from 100 to 200, 101, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, so on till 200. Yes, now they have asked us to print the numbers which are divisible by 7, right? From 100 to 200, how many numbers are divisible by 7? We will have to show it. So inside the for loop I'll write a if condition. In that I'll write if the extracted number, that is I mod 7 is 0. Whenever I divide the extracted number by 7, if the remainder is 0, then what I'll do, I'll simply print that particular number, right? I'll simply print that particular number. Okay, so now let us check. Okay, now you can see here all the numbers which are divisible 7 have been printed. Yes, all the numbers which are divisible by 7 are printed, right? Next I'll have to find the sum of the printed numbers. So what I'll do, I'll declare one more variable sum and I'll initialize its value to 0. Okay, once I print the value, I'll simply do sum is equal to sum plus I. Sum is equal to sum plus I. Whenever this for loop ends, printf sum is equal to percentage %d and that percentage %d is of sum variable. Yes, I'll again debug, no errors. I'll execute this. As you can see, sum is 2107. right? So instead of slash t, let us put slash n. Okay, next I'll put slash n here also. Let's run it again. As you can see here, these many numbers are divisible by 7, and this is the sum of all these printed numbers, right? Now they have asked us to find the count of the printed numbers also. So what I'll do here is I'll simply write or declare a variable count, and I'll initialize its value to 0, and after the sum is calculated, what I'll do is I'll increment the value of count. As and when the for loop, the value of I is extracted and is checked whether it is divisible by 7 or not. If it is divisible, the value will be printed, the sum will be calculated, as well as the count will be incremented. Once this given condition is false, that means once the value of I exceeds 200, we will print the value of sum and also the value of count, right? Count is equal to percentage d. So we have forgot to put the double quote there. Okay, then count. Yes. Now let us debug the program again. No errors. Let's execute the program. As you can see, 14 numbers have been printed. Let us check. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 12 13, and one more it is here, 14, right? So 14 numbers have been printed, and the sum of that number is 2107. If we want to change the program, if the program is C program to print the numbers from 100 to 200 which are divisible by 10, then we need to change this 7 to 10. And let us debug. No errors. Let us execute. You can see here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. 11 numbers have been printed. The count is 11. Also the sum has also been displayed, right? You simply change the number here, and uh, you may change the program, right? So now I have checked the numbers which are divisible by 9, right? And you can see 11 numbers have been printed, and the count is also different, right? So thank you for watching.